Good evening.
In the previous tutorial we inserted links who launch each song.
America, petit pain au chocolat and Champs-Élysées.
This time from the Developer tab we will insert buttons, to which we will assign a macro opening each song. From the Developer tab, in the Control Toolbox box, I unroll the Insert to I select the first form control at the top left the button. I then have on the active sheet a drawing tool. This button will be linked to a macro that we will call l'Amérique. We see after validation that we are in macro recording mode. This simple macro is just clicking on the URL that launches the song. We see that it sends me on the browser. We do not even need to close that browser. We go back to Excel and stop recording. Now I select the button and with the contextual right-click, I have the option Assign a macro. Here I assign the macro America to this button. I still have to customize by changing the default text, for example, and giving it the title America. We can also resize it. It will then be easy to perform the same procedure. To create two more buttons linked to the other two songs.
Le petit pain au chocolat and Champs-Élysées.
Good evening to you.